There's one more thing I wanted to talk to you about concerning the HOA requirements. If your house is in an HOA, and some are, even when they're out here in the middle of nowhere, you know, check on yours. And if you find out you're in an HOA, before you submit your plans to the building department at your city or county department, you'll want to take your plans to the HOA, because they're going to want to look at your plans. Okay, they did that to a neighbor of ours, and he had to do that, and then he had to change 3 or 4 different things. A roof, one roof area went up like this. He had to change that to go up halfway and down the other side so that it matched most of the other houses in the neighborhood. Because it was in the HOA, they didn't want it to look different than the others. He had to change the color of the house. He had to change some stuff on the outside of the house. He had to put some fake brick or fake rock veneer on the front of the house, rather than he was going to do some lap siding or something like that. And so you want to check so that you run your plans through the HOA first and get their approvals on everything, because if not, you can still change things, then get their approval before submitting them to the building department. Can you imagine if you submitted all your plans to the local building department and you started going through plan check, and then you get your plans done, and then you find out, I didn't know I was in an HOA. I guess I am in an HOA. What's the big deal? And then you find out from them that something was wrong, and then you show them the plans or something, and they tell you, no, this is not going to be approved. That's not going to be approved. That's not going to be approved. Even though the building department issued you a permit. Now you're going to have to go in there and change everything. Or if you're in plan check, maybe you have to take it out of plan check to take it over to your HOA, get their blessing on everything first before resubmitting them to the building department. Take it out of plan check. That would be a nightmare. Okay, but those are the types of things you have to deal with if you're in an HOA, which is a homeowners association. Check it out. Another day has come and gone. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Well, it's time to go home and eat.